Alright guys, so as our oil is draining in this S4 2018, I'm gonna come inside, I'm gonna pull the hood latch, then we're gonna go in to remove this filter, put a new gasket on the housing, as well as a fresh oil change. So there's the good beast right there. Our filter lays right under this bad boy, right there. So after we pour, we're also gonna clean all this up because it's dirty, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, so the oil pan gasket's fine. That looks like some coolant that was leaking or something, but there's no, there's not a lot of oil in the oil pan pretty much, or coming from the gasket. But when we look back here, it does get like wet and oily. It looks like it's leaking down onto this plug, so it's coming from above. It's kind of hard to get in there right now to see, but it's definitely somewhere in there leaking oil. So I've got to see the camera in there more. You can kind of see down here, like there's a bunch of oil that's all gunked up. So I'll clean that up, and then there's oil all right here mainly. So back there's your AC dripping. That's not oil, it's AC water. But like I said, it's just a bit oily under here. Might even be coming from, here's the transmission line actually. So it's coming from around here, maybe this transmission cooler gasket, or the rear main seal, which is directly dripping from in between that engine and transmission right there. So I've just got to do some further looking, but it's definitely leaking inside there. All right, so right before we leak out the oil, you could tell the difference by just one wipe. So I'm gonna clean this up for you, and then we've got to track down the leak for sure, because it's not a small leak.
So as I'm doing this filter, I'm noticing a huge amount of leakage coming from the engine, so I just have to document it. So we'll be swapping this filter out, putting a new gasket on the housing. You never really want to use impacts on these because it can crack the plastic with the torque. So spin her off, try to save as much oil as we can. And there it goes. Swing her over the oil, let her drip a bit. Then we're going to slap on some gloves and pull this filter out. Put our new one in our new ring.
Also, before I pour the oil, you see the oil all down there and stuff. It's leaking. So there's some gaskets that need replaced for sure. It's a mess. Okay guys, so we just swapped out our O-ring and our filter. So now we're gonna slap her back in place before we pour our oil. Screw that bad puppy down. We torque her down. Then he'll be ready. Alright guys, so oil filter housing with the new filter and gaskets in, and we cleaned up the pouring area. So now we're gonna set this bad boy back together and reset all the service intervals. Alright, Derek? That's it.